Assalamualaikum, good morning everyone. I'm showing you the llamas here. Oh, they're so cute. Normally I cannot film them because they're right at the far end. Today they're okay, they're nearby. Oh, they're nice. So I've seen the sheep, I've seen the horses, I've seen the baby lambs. Hello. Right everyone, take care everyone, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you so much. I thought I'd show you guys the llamas today here at this end. The other lot are sitting down. Take care and have a lovely day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you again. Bye.